The future of food is one of the areas probably most impacted by exponential technologies. And AI and robotics breakthroughs are really driving a lot of new ways of growing food, as well as maybe changing the way that we're eating food. With robotics specifically, we're seeing the automation of farms, farmland, inspection, delivery of fertilizers and chemicals through drone-based systems, through new waves of automation platforms. And that's on an industrial scale and getting to a point where it's even going to the small-scale farms. We're now seeing the rise of the vertical farm becoming an almost competitive model where the integration of and convergence of sensor technologies and information systems allows us to much more efficiently grow food in smaller, more dense areas. One of the most exciting developments I believe that robotics is bringing to the agricultural world is the ability to have lots of new information platforms. Today we have nanosatellites that are being sent into orbit by startup companies, able to deliver real-time information on the ground about soil content, about water content, a lot of variables that are really important about planning for farming and growing food. We have lower scale drone technologies that are being developed to autonomously inspect the farms on a regular basis, not just once a month inspection, but you can imagine once a day inspection. And then being equipped with technologies like localized delivery of chemicals or fertilizers so that we're no longer blasting entire fields with some kind of chemical or fertilizer. We're very discreetly just placing it where it needs to be placed. So if you have an insect manifestation, you probably only have it on one tree or one bush, one region of the farm. You can now locally deal with that problem rather than having a mass distributed and very expensive distribution of chemicals and solutions.